So today, you'll learn how to create a CapCut account in CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to launch the CapCut app. So simply look for it and then launch it from wherever you've placed the file. Once you've done that, you then want to click on the sign in option at the top left corner of your screen. And then from here, you should see this pop-up menu appearing, allowing you to sign in with different options. So if you have a TikTok account, you can choose sign in with TikTok, and this will then link your CapCut to your TikTok account, allowing you to enjoy features across both platforms. Alternatively, you can choose the sign in with QR code, sign in with Facebook, or sign in with Google. So it's up to you to decide which sign-in option you prefer to use. And so once you select one, that will be now your new CapCut account. So I've clicked sign in with Google, and then I just need to choose my account and then click continue. You might need to agree to any terms of service and privacy policy. And then once you've done all of that, you should be successfully signed in to CapCut. So this means that if you didn't have a CapCut account previously, you can just use any of those services and you'll be able to use CapCut with that specific account. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.